1 John chapter 4 tells us to love one another, for love comes from God. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God, because God is love. And it is through his love that Wes and Mariah will be united here today in marriage.
Wesley, I will forever be in awe of how good our Father is for crossing our paths the way he did. From the very start of our journey, I could see his hand on it, and I have continued to see him throughout this relationship as you pursue me daily. You are my best friend, and I could not feel more blessed that today I get to become your wife.
To my forever, I have been praying and searching my whole life for the perfect wife. I am so blessed because I have found that perfect wife in you.
Today I make a promise to always be by your side, love you unconditionally, and support you no matter what. I promise to keep Jesus at the center of our relationship and to never stop pursuing your heart.
Every little detail about you amazes me, and I am blown away by your jaw-dropping beauty. And all our cute little inside jokes melt my heart.
I wish my mom was here to watch us say I do, but I know she's cheering us on from heaven. I know you are the exact man she hoped I would marry one day, and I know she would have absolutely adored you in every way, just like the rest of us. One day, you will meet her, but until then, all I can do is tell you how much I know she would have loved you. I love you with all my heart. It's you and me forever. Now let's get married. Your wife, Mrs. Clark.
Your heart for loving the Lord and loving others is truly inspiring. I will always love you forever, Mariah. This is the best day of my life, and our future is so bright and beautiful. I love you, Mrs. Clark.
Now, by the authority invested in me as a minister of the gospel, according to the laws of the state of Virginia, I pronounce you husband and wife, as those that God has joined together. Let no one separate you. Wes, you may kiss your bride. It is my privilege to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Wes Clark.
I've had the privilege of being front and center to watch you two grow and begin this awesome adventure. We've dreamed of this day for so long, and it's so crazy that it's here. It makes me so happy to see you so happy with Wes. You are such a beautiful reflection of the amazing woman that Mom was. Wes, you've got yourself a catch, literally. I love watching how happy and loved you make Mariah feel. Thank you for choosing her forever and being everything she deserves and more.
And I'm just thankful for everything Wes has done for me, all the memories we've made together. And I'm happy you found a girl like Mariah. And I can tell how happy you two are together. And just how you guys bring out the best of each other and grow together.
Congratulations, Wes and Mariah, and I am not losing my brother, but I am gaining my sisters. I love you guys.
Mariah, I cannot believe you're literally married. We're trusting in God's plan, and I'm so excited where he's going to take you guys. I love you both so much.
Yeah, I'm so excited for you, sweetie. So many amazing memories. I'm so blessed by you, just to see you grow into this godly, beautiful young lady. Mom will be so proud. She's looking down, she's smiling on you and excited for the wonderful future that you have. And I just speak a blessing of love, joy, and peace as you guys blaze your new trails together. So this toast goes for Wes and Mariah. We love you.